In this video, let us learn about Python strings. They are slicing strings, modify strings, concatenate strings, format strings, escape characters, string methods. Python strings. Strings in Python are surrounded by either single quotation marks or double quotation marks. Hello is a single quotation mark is the same as in double quotations hello. You can display a string literal with the print function. Print hello with double quotes and print hello with single quotes. If you print this, the result will be same. Assign string to a variable. Assigning a string to a variable is done with the variable name followed by an equal sign and the string. A is equal to hello, print A. See, the result returns hello. Multi-line string. You can assign a multi-line string to a variable by using 3 quotes. You can use 3 double quotes or 3 single quotes. Here example with 3 double quotes. We have written some sentence inside the 3 double quotes. Print A. Lorem ipsum. See here, the result returns like this, or 3 single quotes. Now let us see 3 single quotes example. See here we have given 3 single quotes example, a sentence inside 3 single quotes. The result returns like this. In the result, the line breaks are inserted at the same position as in the code. Strings are arrays. Like many other popular programming languages, strings in Python are arrays of bytes representing Unicode characters. However, Python does not have a character data type. A single character is simply a string with a length of 1. Square brackets can be used to access elements of the string. Example, get the character at position 1. Remember that the first character has the position 0. See here, we are given an example. A is equal to hello world. Print A, E printed here. When we execute this code, the result will be written E. Looping through a string. Since strings are arrays, we can loop through the characters in the string with for loop. Here we have given some example. Loop through letters in the word Jasmine. For X in Jasmine, print X. See here, the Jasmine, it will written like this. Learn more about for loops in our Python for loops chapter. String length. To get the length of a string, use the len function. The len function returns the length of a string. A is equal to hello world. Print A. See, it will tell us about the length of the word. This total 13. The result will be written like this. To check if a certain phrase or character is present in a string, we can use the keywords in. Check if free is present in the following text. See here, text is equal to the roses in the garden are free. Print free in text. Yes, true, it is true because the free exists in this sentence. Use it in an if statement. Print only if free is present. Text is equal to the roses in the garden are free. If free in text, print yes if free is present. Yes, the result is yes, free is present. We can learn if free is not there, it will say no. We can learn more about if statements in our Python if else chapter. Check if not. To check if certain phrase or character is not present in a string, you can use the keyword not in. Check if expensive is not present in the following text. The roses in the garden are free. Here we are given some example. See, in this expensive is not there in this sentence. Print expensive not in text. Yes, it is true. Use it in an if statement. Here example, print only if expensive is not present. The roses in the garden are free. If expensive not in text, no, expensive is not present. See, the result will be written like this. No, expensive is not present. Python slicing strings. Slicing. You can return a range of characters by using the slice syntax. Specify the start index and the end index separated by a colon to return a part of the string. Get the characters from position 2, position 5 not included. See here, B is equal to hello world. 2 is to 5. See here, 2 LLO is printed. When we print this, the result will be written LLO. the first character as index 0. Slice from the start. By leaving out the start index, the range will start at the first character. Get the characters from the start to position 5 not included. See for example, hello world, print is to 5. See here, hello, the result returns hello. Slice to the end. By leaving out the end index, the range will go to the end. For example, see here, get the characters from position 2 and all the way to the end. See b is equal to hello world, 2 is 2. See rest of the printed. When we print this, the result returns LLO, world. Use negative indexes to start the slice from the end of the string, negative indexing. By leaving out the end index, the range will go to the end. For example, get the characters from O in world position 5 to but not included D in the world position -2. B hello world, -5 is to -2. See here, the result will be written ORL. Python modify strings, uppercase. Uppercase method returns a string in uppercase. See here, hello world. Print a dot upper method. See here, all change it to uppercase. Lowercase. The lower method returns a string in lowercase. Hello world. Print a dot lower. If you give this method, all letters will print into lowercase. Remove white space. White space is the space between and or after the actual text, and very often you want to remove this space. The stripe method removes any white space from the beginning or the end. See here, a is equal to, see double quotes and space is there between double quote and h. Print a strip returns hello world. See here, the entire removed. Replace string. The replace method replaces a string with another string. If you use the replace method, see here, hello world. See, print a replace h j. It replaces h to j. See here, its return result was jello world. Hello world changed to jello world. Split string. The split method returns a list where the text between the specific separator becomes the list items. The split method splits the string into substrings if it finds instance on the separator. See here, a is equal to hello world. When we give the split method, returns hello world. See here, hello world. The hello world printed in square brackets. Python string concatenation. To concatenate or combine two strings, you can use the plus operator. Merge variable A with variable B into variable C. See here, A is equal to hello, B is equal to world, C is equal to A plus B. Print C. See, hello world totally merged. The result returns hello world merged. To add a space between them, add two double quotes is 2. Okay. Hello, A is equal to hello, B is equal to world. A plus double quotes double plus B. Print C. Hello world. See here, the result returns hello world. Python format strings. String format. As we learned in the Python variable chapter, we cannot combine string and numbers like this. If we try to combine, the error will be written like this. This is the code we have written giving some error. Here the result returns showing some error. But we can combine strings and numbers by using the format method. The format method takes the passed arguments, formats them and places them in the string where the placeholders are. Use the format method to insert numbers into the strings. A is equal to 36, text is equal to ABC Vishnu, and I have given some placeholder. Print format A's. See, the result returns like result ABC is Vishnu and I am 36. The format method takes unlimited number of arguments and are placed into the respective placeholders. Example, see here, quantity is equal to 4, item number is 786, price is 56.26, my order I want, see here, placeholder, pieces of item placeholder for placeholder rupees. Print my order, format quantity, item price. See, I want 4 pieces of item 786 for 56.26 rupees. The result returns like this. You can use index numbers 0 to be sure the arguments are placed in the correct placeholders. See here, quantity 4, item number 786, price 56.26, my order I want to pay. We have inserted integer in placeholders, rupees for 0 inside placeholder, pieces of item, placeholders 1. Print my order, format, quantity, item number, price. See here, the result returns I want to pay 56.26 rupees for 4 pieces of item 786. Escape characters. To insert characters that are illegal in a string, use an escape character. An escape character is backslash followed by the character you want to insert. You will get an error if you use double quotes inside a string that is surrounded by double quotes. See here, we have given some result. Try we are the so-called handwriting experts from the Vijayawada. See print X. Result, file demo string escape error try one. See, is shown some error here in result. To fix this problem, use the escape character backslash. The escape character allows you to use double quotes when you normally would not be allowed. See here, we have given some backslash placeholder backslash print X. We are the social called handwriting experts from the Vijayawada. The result will be written like this. Escape characters, let us see some. See backslash, double slash slash, backslash plus n, backslash plus r is called carriage return, backslash t tab, backslash b backspace, backslash f form freed, backslash 3 zeros octal value, backslash xhh x value. Python string methods. Python has a set of built-in methods that you can use on strings. All string methods return new values, they do not change the original string. See, we have given some capitalization, cache folder, convert string into lowercase, center returns a center string, counter method returns the number of times a specified value occurs in the string, encode returns an encode version of the string, ends with returns true if the string ends with the specified value, expand labs sets the tab size of the string, find method searches the string for a specified value and returns the position of where it was found, format method formats specified values in string, format underscore map method formats specified values in string, index method searches the string for a specified value and return the position of where it was found, is L number returns true if all characters in the string are alphanumeric numbers, is alpha returns true if all characters in the string are in the alphabet, is decimal method returns true if all characters in the string are decimals, is digit returns true if all characters in the string are digits. See here, like this you just follow this one. If you follow these methods, the returns like this. Do practice by executing all these codes, all these methods. Okay friends, this is the end of part 9 strings. In next video, let us learn about another topic, Booleans. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.